Question number 8. If 8 times x is equal to 6, what is the value of 72x? Whenever this kind of question comes, the first instinct of the brain is, okay, find the value of x. But this is a typical SAT style question. See first what is asked. 8x is given and 72x is asked. So instead of calculating the value of x first and then plugging it there, why not make it 72? For example, what is 8 times what is 72? Right? 9. So why not multiply by 9 on both sides? Right? So that is 54. So this is a smart type of solution. Now generally if you solve it like x is equal to 2 by 3 and now you do 6 by 8, you end up at fraction. And then plug in this value in 72x is equal to 72 times 6 by 8 and then you multiply by 9. So stop, give a pause, see what is asked and try to solve the question smartly. This is also correct, no doubt in that. But if you do it this way, what you are doing? You are saving your mental energy as well as time, which is very required during exams. Okay. Which expression is equivalent to 23x squared plus 2x squared plus 9x? Now, as soon as I see this question, the first thought should come in my mind that 23 is the biggest number here and it's the prime one. So that means numbers are like they are, no factor is common in them. So numbers will be as it is, right? So this option or this option can be true. Now let's see, x is here, x cube means x times x plus it is 23 as it is, plus 2 times x, right, 2x squared plus 9 times x. So what is common, which is present in every term? X. So that is 23x squared plus 2x plus 9. That means C is the right option. Okay. Let's move to question number 10th. Which expression is equivalent to this? So here what is being actually asked, do you know what are like terms? This is what this question is asking, right? And you will say, yes, we know what are like terms. This x cube and this x cube, these are like terms. So 9 plus 6, 15. Oh, all are 15. Now, if I do 9x cubed plus 6x cubed, do you think that powers will be added? 3 plus 3, 6, right? And this is the right option? No. When there are like terms, like x cube here is just like acting as 9 apples plus 6 apples, right? So when you add 9 or 6, do you add apples and apples? These remain apples itself. So that means this is x cubed, which is showing it's a like term. So when you add it, this power is not going to change. So 9x cubed plus 6x cubed, 15x cubed. Okay, this or this, and plus 5x, and this is x squared. No, x squared is only one term. So plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 7 and minus 5, it is plus 2. So this I have done almost like orally. Now let's write every step. So this is 9x cubed, and if I combine with it, that will be 6x cubed. Okay, x square is only plus 5x squared. This 5 and 5 number is same, but if I am adding like 5x plus 5x squared, so I am adding like 5 apples plus 5 bananas. What will be equal to this? Maybe you will say is equal to 10 fruits, right? Okay, let's change this. 5 apples plus 5 twice. Now what will you do? So these are not like terms. Number is same, but terms are not like. So these will be as it is. Plus 5x, and numbers left. So if you solve them, this is the right option. Now let's do something extra. Let's do a question, what if we have a negative sign in between? Instead of this positive, we have negative. So what should we do? We should open the next bracket first by applying distributive property. So this negative means negative 1, right? So that will be 9x cubed plus 5x plus 7. Now negative 1 times 6x cubed will be negative x 6x cubed. Negative 1 times plus 5x squared will be negative 5x squared. Negative 1 times negative 5 will be positive 5. So now these two are like terms. That will be 3x cubed minus 5x squared plus 5x plus 7 plus 5, 12. So what we have to learn from here, that if there is a negative sign, open the bracket first, right? Apply distributive property and change every sign, because negative multiplication always changes the sign.